Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I just want to give you guys a quick reminder, and that is if you have not joined the Crypto ZX Telegram group, guys, what are you guys waiting for? Link in the description box below. It's free to join. We talk about cryptocurrencies. The latest trends are revolving around the space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and let's build this community together. But now let's jump right into the content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.66 trillion. We're down 4.3% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.6%. Now, if we're scrolling down through CoinGecko, and we're seeing markets are seeing a major red across the board, but this does not come as a surprise to me at all. Now, you may be asking yourself a question: Crypto ZX, why does this not surprise you? Because guys, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, I have been saying for the past few days, especially when we were in the green territory, I did say, guys, do not get overexcited because Bitcoin has not reached specific price levels. We need Bitcoin to hit specific price levels before I personally can be confident that the bottom is in. But Bitcoin was unable to reach those price levels, so this does not come as a surprise to me at all. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than Tron, but then we will come and look into Bitcoin charts as well. If we're looking at Tron's price right now, guys, Tron is currently trading at 7.4 cents. It's down 6.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 3.3% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. Tron's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 24 spot. Market cap right now is $5.3 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $2.4 billion. Now, if we're zooming out and looking at Tron's, a one-year, graph, in just the last year alone, guys, Tron is up 404.6%. In the last 30 days, we are down 40.7%, but Tron is not the only coin that is down substantially. If you guys don't know, the markets did see a major pullback the last week, and the entire market is down quite substantially, not only Tron, so please keep that in mind. But now let's deep dive into the Tron's charts and see what is going on and where we could be going in the immediate short term. Alright guys, if we're looking at Tron's charts right off the bat, you guys can see we're sitting right above this level of support, and that is at that 0.071 cents mark. If we are bringing out that Fibonacci retracement level right off the bat, so you guys can get a better understanding as to what will go on in the immediate short term. So right now, guys, we are sitting within this range, and we have a chance for us to go below this once again. I do not like to see that happen, but guys, at the end of the day, you guys know me, I keep it very realistic on this channel, and we have to look at all the possibility and scenarios to occur, and we cannot be ultra bullish. I am not ultra bullish. You guys know me, I always look at all the scenarios and come up with the best conclusion as to what is most likely going to happen. And right now, guys, there's a high chance of us to break below this level of support and maybe possibly go back down to this level again, which I personally do not want to see. But guys, we have to be prepared for that. If you were able to pick up some TRX around this level when we did see this initial price pullback, especially the second drop, you guys can see, if you'd be still up right now 33%, guys, so you'd be still sitting at profits. But these markets do tend to follow Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is the king. It's the leading indicator of the entire market. Doesn't matter if a coin is booming, Bitcoin can end the party whenever it wants, because these markets are heavily manipulated, so you never know when a price pullback or a crash is going to occur. And so the moral of the story is, guys, as long as you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, patience will be your #1 key to follow in this market. You do not want to be shaken out during these times, because Whale's number one goal is to shake out the weekends, and you do not want to be shaken out, because when the bottom does get reached, markets tend to recover very fast, guys, especially when we are in a bull cycle. Now let's look at Bitcoin's charts and see what's exactly going on, and then we will make a conclusion as to what is going to happen with Tron in the immediate short term. So if we're looking at Bitcoin charts right now, guys, you guys can see right off the bat. Let me bring out the pen for you guys right now, so you guys can see this was the initial price crash that we saw. We had a major spike towards the upside. Right after that, we went to $42,500 level. I was not convinced the bottom is in, and then, guys, look, clear fake out, saw a double bottom, and then we went towards the upside once again. And right now, guys, we are sitting literally right above this level of support at that $36,000 mark, and there is a heavy chance of high possibility of Bitcoin going below this level of support, which no one wants to see. But guys, as much as I hate saying this, we have to look at all the possible scenarios, and this is one of the scenarios that could play out right now. I'm hoping we could bounce back, once we touch this level of support, bounce back up. But if we're unable to, bounce back up and we do break below it, guys, there's a possibility of us seeing, third bottom occur, and that would be not too good for the entire crypto space. But guys, this is a reality, and we cannot do much about it. This is why taking profits is very important. I care about each and every one of my viewers, and I always say to you guys that when we are in these kind of parabolic upwards trend, and you are seeing all-time high after all-time high, even though this was not an all-time high, but you get my point. When we're seeing major upwards trend, do not get greedy, guys. Do not get greedy. Do not let greed get to you. Take off some profits and put them on the side. Either use them for your personal use, or you could buy back these dips, because guys, if someone told you that these markets will go up only in one line straight up, I will come out and tell you, no, this is not reality. These markets will always see some sort of consolidation phases and crashes. So you have to be prepared for that, because anything that goes up straight up, guys, will come down even faster. So the moral of the story is, you will not get rich overnight, guys. I'm sorry to break it to you. So patience is very much needed in this market, and always you guys have to take profits, guys. I have been in these markets for a few years now, and I have learned a lot. I made so many mistakes, and I do not want my viewers making the same mistakes as me. So that's why I always share these tips with you guys, so you guys can win this market and maximize your profits during these times. So please, guys, always do take profits. But right now for TRX, guys, for the immediate short term, we do have a possibility right now to head towards the downside if Bitcoin were to break below $36,500 level, which would put us, which would have a high possibility of Tron to fall below this level of support, and we could see us get back down to these levels. And if you were waiting for Tron to get to a dip, maybe that might be a time for you to accumulate. But always invest where you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence. I cannot stress this enough. The bullish scenario would be that us bouncing back up and towards the upside and get above 43k. That would put, I would not be surprised if TRX does get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, because markets tend to move very fast, guys. And if we do bring out the measuring tool, guys, that would be a 53% upwards move if we do see markets recover towards the upside, especially Bitcoin right now. So that is what's looking for TRX, guys. I personally believe TRX is a very undervalued right now, but this is just my own personal opinion. Now you may be asking yourself, CryptoZX, why do you think that? Let me bring some things for you guys. So if we're looking on Twitter, this shows that tether on multiple blockchains. Tron has the most tether on its blockchain. $33 billion worth of Tron, worth of USDT is on the Tron's blockchain. This blockchain is a very undervalued in my opinion, as considering how fast the ecosystem is growing, for Tron, and Justin Sun back in both Tron and every TRX project built on it. So I personally believe Tron is definitely undervalued if we do consider all the factors, and this is one of the biggest ones. Like $33 billion USDT alone is on Tron's blockchain, guys. Absolutely massive when you really put that into perspective. And also, if we go on to Tron Scan, they posted this: congratulations on Tron. Total accounts exceeded 35 million according to Tron Scan. Tron total accounts have reached 35.4 million accounts. Tron ecosystem has developed rapidly and continues to make efforts to decentralize the web. Like I said just earlier, Tron blockchain and its ecosystem is growing day by day, and I believe at its current value it is undervalued, and it has not even seen its all-time high that it saw back in 2018. And if we were to see that parabolic bull cycle that we did see back in 2017, I would not be surprised if Tron does pull some crazy gains, because at the end of the day it is backed by Justin Sun, and the guy is a genius. In the cryptocurrency, guys, hype is one of the biggest factor that is needed. Doesn't matter how good the project is, guys, hype does play a major role in crypto. And Justin Sun being the founder of Tron can bring the hype, because he's a big figure in the crypto space, and he has massive links across the crypto industry. So hype, building hype factor is definitely there. And there already is a lot of hype for Tron. Tron's community is very massive. So if we consider all these factors and put them together, guys, Tron is definitely undervalued in my personal opinion, and I could see it having a massive upside potential in this bull run. But again, guys, Bitcoin can end the Bitcoin can end the fun anytime, so we have to be prepared for that. But if Bitcoin were to stabilize and head towards the upside, I could see TRX go towards the upside, definitely, considering all the factors that I have mentioned earlier. And Tron blockchain is undervalued. As we see more and more interest come in from developers building on Tron, I believe it's only going to get bigger over time, and it does definitely have an upside potential indeed. But short term, guys, the bearish scenario would be us breaking below this level of support and heading towards this downside, which no one wants to see, guys. But you guys know I keep it realistic on this channel, and we have to look at all the factors, and that's definitely a possibility that could play out. But if Bitcoin were to bounce back up towards the upside, we could see us go back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, which would put Tron at roughly 11.4 cents to 13 cents mark. I could definitely see that happen. But let's see what happens. Only time will tell. And that is it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys would like me to cover Tron on a daily basis. Leave a comment down below. And also, guys, let me know where you could see Tron trading at the end of June. I would love to know your thoughts down below, and stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. Smash the like button and hit the red subscribe button, guys. My goal is to reach 20,000 subscribers, and help my video get to a wider audience by smashing the like button, guys. I appreciate all your guys' support, each and every one of you guys. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you once again for all the support that you guys show me. Come join the Telegram group, guys. And with that being said, guys, I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.